Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Boston Whaler 19 Montauk. This is a great model, been out for quite a few years now. They make 15, 17, 19, 21. The Montauk's been a popular model for decades. This one's powered with a 150 Mercury on it. And you can see you got two jump seats back here in the back and a swim platform behind the port side jump seat. And what's kind of neat about these back jump seats is they have removable backrests for them, so that if you're coming on the swim platform, you've got an easy way to get on board, but you've got rod holders, two on each side, and these backrests slide right down inside of that. Easy access underneath that to get into your storage compartment on both sides. One thing I like about Boston Whalers is the safety aspect. That's huge with these boats. If you notice, everywhere that I walk around in this boat, you kind of see that I've got somewhere to grab onto. So if you're in seas that are a little bit rough, look how high this comes up my thigh right there. Nice and high up the thigh, always somewhere to grab onto. Got a big live well. This is a huge live well for a 19-foot boat. It's blue on the inside, corners are rounded, so that helps keep your bait calm, keep them alive. This has got hydraulic steering on it, so that is right there. This one's already equipped with a stereo. You can see the speakers down there. This reversible backrest on here is kind of cool. If you're just sitting there fishing, you can sit like this, or look at another position. We can put that like that. So if we want to stand up and drive, we've got a leaning post. Goes to another position there, or all the way back. Again, that hydraulic steering makes that real easy. JL audio, stereo, mentioned that already. Your controls right here at your fingertips. Nice stainless steel wheel on here. Compass centered right above your Simrad multifunction display. Simrad VHF radio. Again, look, everywhere I'm going in this boat, I've got somewhere to grab onto. Beautiful powder coated T-top. This is powder coated white. In front of the center console, we've got, this just isn't any cooler, this is a Yeti cooler. So cushion cooler seat, nice high backrest, really comfortable place to ride. You can actually fit two people wide on this cooler, so this is a nice big cooler. So this you're probably gonna keep your drinks and your food in, but you've also got a big fish box here in the front. And because of the way that a Boston Whaler is made, that's got so much foam around the outside of it. You put a few bags of ice in there, and that's gonna work like a Yeti cooler as well. The Boston Whaler fish boxes hold ice fantastic. In front of that, we've got the anchor locker. So plenty of room in there for your anchor line, anchor chain. Always super heavy duty hardware on the Boston Whaler. Removable bow light on there. This boat's at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. If you want to take it for a test ride, call my cell phone, 904-625-6146.